Good morning. It's almost brunch time, or lunchtime, brunch time, whatever it is. But we back here again. I told you, chefs in the hood, chef in your hood. We're gonna make some breakfast this morning for you guys. You know, we're gonna do some French toast my style. You know, we gonna step away from doing a lot of the dinners and lunches and stuff, and show you how we do some French toast. Over here I got some challah bread, right? This is an egg bread. So we're gonna cut this in some thick slices. You know what I'm saying? I got a nice knife here. We're gonna cut it into some thick slices, and then we're gonna make like a custard with some eggs and some milk. We got some coconut sugar. And we got blood orange we're gonna use in there, some blood orange juice, some orange zest. And we're gonna use some nutmeg and some cinnamon and all that other good stuff. Some actual vanilla too. We got vanilla beans actually that we're gonna use today in our custard when we do our French toast. Yeah, we're gonna make our slices somewhere about 3/4 to like an inch thick. And then we gotta sit the bread out, because usually when you make French toast, you make French toast with like day-old bread, or you can pop it in the oven and toast it a little bit before you dip it in the batter. But we just gonna sit it out for about 30 minutes after we get our slices, and we're gonna come back to it after we make our custard. So let's just get a couple more slices here. We're gonna do about 4 maybe. Now this is gonna be some hearty pieces of French toast here. You gotta have a great knife for this stuff here. See that? See those slices? Those are awesome. Those are awesome slices. That's gonna be great for French toast. We're gonna do one more here. All right, we still got our bread resting. Like I said, you want your bread to rest for a while. But we're gonna go ahead and start making this custard. You need 6 eggs. Like I said, normally I'm not a whole egg person. I'm usually doing egg whites, but we're gonna go ahead and get these eggs cracked. And you know, I gotta take that little floater out. I don't know about you guys, but I gotta take it out. See that? And we got one more. Slippery little devils. All right. All right, we got our eggs, and we got a bowl, a better bowl. So we're gonna get our eggs in there, and whisk our eggs up a little bit. You know, get those yolks broken. And then we're gonna start adding our other ingredients. There we go. See that, ladies and gentlemen? I'm getting my whisk on. All right, normally I would use something like flax milk or almond milk, especially if I'm doing it vegan style. I would more gravitate towards a milk like this. But today we're going to use whole milk. We're already using whole eggs, so why not? Just wanted to show y'all that. Like I said, and I showed y'all the coconut sugar already. You know, I usually try to use, you know, much healthier products, non-GMO stuff. We know this is chefs in the hood, but I told you we trying to get y'all to eat right out there. All right? So we got 2 cups of whole milk. I'm going to dump that in there. Then we got about 4 tablespoons of our coconut sugar. And we're going to dump that in there. Then we got some nutmeg and some cinnamon. A little bit of this orange zest. We don't need a whole lot, just a little. We're also going to use maybe a tablespoon of our Grand Gala. It's an orange liqueur. We just gonna add that into our custard here. Give it a little extra kick. Fresh vanilla bean, like I told you guys. This is a real vanilla bean. We're gonna use probably one of these. And then I'm probably gonna save the hull and just put it in some water. And get some type of infusion going on for something else. That smells great. This is an actual vanilla bean. Expensive as hell, ladies and gentlemen. This is some pricey ass stuff. Vanilla bean. There's our vanilla. It doesn't look like a lot, but you scraping both sides of that bean and dump it in there. Let's go ahead and pop our zest in there. And cut open our blood orange. See that? That's beautiful. Blood orange. You guys should try one of those one day. Let's get some of that juice out of there and get it in our custard. All right. I had to transfer to a bigger bowl again because our custard was overflowing. But that's a look of our custard right there. We're going to get our custard in this shallow pan here. And we're going to soak our bread. Nice. Hold them down a little bit. Just so that custard could get in the bread. And we're going to let those sit for a little while. For maybe about 5 minutes or less. And we're going to probably get some turkey bacon started. You know, to go with our French toast, just to have a different element, some crunchiness to go with that French toast. We're going to get a couple of pieces of our French toast. I got some butter, some melted butter here. Couple of tablespoons of melted butter. And we're going to scoop this soaked French toast. In there. It's cooking a little slow because I don't want my butter to burn. See, we got our French toast, our Challah French toast starting to brown. We got one side brown. It should be coming out in a few more minutes. Then we're going to get it on our plate. We're going to use a little powdered sugar. You know, I got some sliced fresh strawberries and some blueberries. We're going to throw that on the plate and make it look nice and have some breakfast. Our French toast looking real good. Some huge slices of French toast. Get one on my plate there. And I'm going to do a little powdered sugar. I got some sliced strawberries. A couple of blueberries. Let's hit it with a little more powdered sugar. Since we already have the blood orange here, let's get a slice of that on there as well. We have a good brand of maple syrup here. It's organic. You know how we do. Chefs in the hood. And no, I didn't forget about our turkey bacon. But the turkey bacon is not the star of the show. You know what the star of the show is. It's our Challah French toast. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. It's delicious. Join us again. Maybe I'll do another breakfast for you guys. See you next time on Chefs in the Hood.